How our main and side lobes are created if you use patch array antenna. First, you send 3 antenna signals, but with a short time delay. Now you get your main lobe that has a maximum of wave energy. If your wave hits a target, it behaves like a little antenna by itself. See the difference if a target is hit by the main lobe and another one hit by a less intense one. Here you also get a lot of side effects that can be seen by small amounts of particles getting thrown back. This is a radar evaluation board. Here in the circle, you can see a patch array antenna. You can see that these antennas are connected by a wire. The time the signal takes from 1 to 2 to 3 to 4 is the reason that causes your time delay and focuses your beam. From there, you can focus your beam depending on the signal delay on each antenna. Thanks for watching the video, and excuse me for this ugly artificial voice.